Hello. I need to get ready for this big race. And I need to look my best. Okay, so first I'm going to take a shower. I have a towel right here. And my toothbrush and toothpaste. And so let's get in. Okay, this is a long enough shower. Let me get my towel on. Ooh. I really don't know what to be for Halloween. Oh. A ghost. Let me test out my flying skills. Oh, there. It's working. It's working. Well, anyway. Okay, next, I need to trim my hair. There we go. Okay, that's my front, and then time for my back. And, there we go. Now, time for the tail. Yeah. There. Okay, that's good enough. Now, time to brush my teeth. Oopsie. There we go. Did I just spit in my shower?